we need to be more vocal, so that they know, that the Senegalese government knows, and by extension the United States government knows that he can't be silenced, that you will be silenced in your opposition to the Senegalese government.
So, did you guys have a court hearing today?
Say again?
His status immigration.
Well, I mean, listen, you got to understand that I'm bound by the attorney-client privilege.
Yes.
There's not a lot that I can say. It's
Right.
not, don't take that the wrong way.
Absolutely.
It's ethically, there's just certain things I cannot say and will not say.
But what was the court hearing today? Did he had a chance to speak? Did he had a chance to?
So the case is going to be on for. The next step is for us to have a trial. With regard to his ability or eligibility to remain in the United States, and that's what we're going to do.
Yes. Yes. And then right now we know that the Consul of Senegal is the main person who charged him. I mean, who kind of, let the government know about his political activism. Does that mean the whole Senegalese government is involved in this case?
Well, I don't know the extent to which the Senegalese government is involved in the case, but certainly the United States government is trying to remove him from the United States to Senegal.
Okay. That's the case right now. So we had a similar case before. And the name is Hassan Diouf. And then they use the same situation, So I think right now, what you said is very important. So the community have to know before everybody goes home. It's writing letters, affidavit, signing it by their names, and showing that they know the person, showing that. So who can we send these letters? To his wife, so you can get...
Absolutely to his wife.
Yes.
With, if possible, identification so that we know who it is.
So like...
And they're a verifiable person, right?
I think that his wife need to go see doctor, psychology doctor too. The doctor can write a letter saying in case they remove him from this country, he's going to suffer with it.
That's not the kind of...
That's not the kind of...
What we need to focus on is what happened to Diouf. And what
did not happen to him.
What thing is going to happen to...
They have to put him in jail if they go to Senegal.
If he's returned, right?
So
they're going to jail him.
So guys, let's listen here. So let's listen here. Guys, nañ déglu comme ça ñu am information yu baax. Léegi nañ déglu. So those affidavits, do you, for example, like, so like, if let's say you have Senegalese ID, right? And then your immigration status maybe is not legal status. Can you still write letters?
Well, listen, there's enough of you here, right, to illustrate for the judge upstairs that he's going to be in danger. If somebody's not comfortable...
So when is your next court hearing? So before that, we can actually get all those letters from maybe the whole Senegalese community, and you can have those on hand.
I need them by April 27th.
April 27th. Okay. Guys, lead of importance.
However, if it's, obviously if they're in Wolof or they're in French, right, they're going to have to be translated
in English.
So what will be admissible in court?
Realistically, as soon as possible. There's a lot of information that needs to be put together.
Absolutely.
Right.
So what will be admissible in court? Will you have video evidence, audio evidence?
Everything.
Well, everything will be admissible in court.
Okay. Ça c'est très important.
That's not in English should be translated.
It has to be translated.
So other question that people here would want to know is, did you have a chance to see a judge today? If so, what was the conversation about? Is he going to see a judge again? Well, for not going into details, because we need to know, because we're here for him. And we have to let people know also. I know we don't want you to go into details. We don't need that. But if he's got it, yes.
I think he did in the beginning though. He said the U.S. government wanna...
If he has a chance,
actually, want to remove him. That's all he can say.
What's the case about? That's all we need.
I can't. I mean, listen, the government is trying to deport him back to Senegal. That's it.
C'est notre combat instant. So, guys.